Hi, my name's Roger Edwards. I live in Portland, Oregon. This lesson is for week 1 of Introduction to Music Production at Coursera.org. My goals for the course are really twofold. One is to be able to record live music, in particular a concert with piano, cello, and vocalist, and also to maybe create some music, just loop type music for some video that I'm interested in doing. The lesson I'd like to teach is signal flow using my own equipment. And so I'm starting with the microphone, and I'm now recording using that microphone. It's an Audio-Technica dynamic cardioid, very inexpensive microphone, and you can see it here. And also you can see the pop filter that I purchased to put in front of the microphone, which cuts down on if you have any Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers in your text, then it cuts down on the noise that the P sounds make, amongst others. The other input device I have in this particular setup is an Alesis QX25 MIDI controller. What it outputs is MIDI control signals that you need to input into a digital audio workstation or some other piece of software where you can actually hear the sound. And I'm using Ableton Light Live software that actually came with the Alesis QX25. Then the two input devices, the microphone and the MIDI controller via the laptop, are routed into a Behringer X1832 USB mixing board. The mixing board includes 6 XLR input channels on the upper left and has a total of 14 channels on it. Each channel also has a low-cut filter, a gain stage, a compressor, a 4-band equalizer, aux, send, FX, and standard pan control, mute button, and then sliders for the input, and some buttons as to where you can send the output from this particular channel. On the back of the mixer, the only controls we're using are the on and off switch and the USB output, which feeds into my desktop computer. On my desktop PC, I'm using Audacity to record the sound output from everything we've discussed so far. Audacity is a free program. You can download it. It's open source. I highly recommend it. It's actually a very capable program. And the final piece of software I'm using for this production is Sony Vegas Movie Studio HD Platinum version 11. And you can see I'm using it to edit this presentation. So that's about it. I had more fun doing this than I thought I would. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the signal flow in this particular setup that I showed you. I think the sound quality and the video quality were pretty good, although I could have shot in some better light. But I do hope you enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to your feedback. Thank you.